Hi everybody, I hope you had a wonderful break. Here's a video all about unboxing your microscope from its handy dandy carrying pouch. When you take everything out of your microscope, you can lay it all out like this. Your microscope comes with a convenient carrying case. It also has a field guide. You'll want to leave this in the case for later in the semester. You have a plastic case full of slides. These are made out of glass. Be careful with them. And you have a little plastic baggie with a microprint slide. We're using this in class on Monday. This will be the first slide you look at. Your microscope also comes with tweezers, a pipette, a flask, and a swab. All convenient tools for collecting samples for things to look at. This device in the bubble wrap is your light source. That's very important for your microscope, especially if you want to use your phone to take pictures. There's another baggie full of useful accessories. More on this later. And finally, this is your microscope. This is the eyepiece that you look through. This white piece is for focusing, and then you can pinch your microscope and grab it between your thumb and your forefinger on these dots here and use that to pan, that is move left and right, and scan to move up and down on your slide to look around what you can see. Here's a closer look at what's inside that accessory bag. There's a fun sticker. There are 2 sheets of clear cover slip stickers. You use these to protect your microscope lens when you put samples onto your slides. These paper slides are for dry samples, and these paper slides are for wet samples. You'll use each of these little dots to hold a different sample. This piece here is a phone adapter. It goes on the eyepiece and it creates space so that you can put your phone camera or your tablet camera right up to the lens and take pictures. These stickers with a little tab off to the side are to put on your phone or tablet camera to help attach it to the adapter. These thicker stickers are to help you collect thicker samples, and you use them on your paper slides. The most important accessory in this bag is your phone adapter. Make sure you hold on to it because you'll be using it to collect pictures of your samples. Here's a little more about your microscope. This blue side is the front. You look through this eyepiece right here. You can grab these handles on the sides to slide your sample left and right and up and down to look at different parts. This thicker wrap here is for focusing. It changes the distance of the lens from the sample and lets you zoom and lets you clarify what you can see. All of this action is on the front. On the back of the microscope, you have this metal dot here. That's your aperture that lets light in, and you can lift this flap up to get over here. See how the flap lifts up? That's where you can slide your slides in. You're going to open the back and then lift up these yellow tabs to slip your slide right in here. Make sure that the sample is facing the lens. After you close the tab, you can attach your light source. It's a magnet and it'll clip right on. The switch is right here to turn on the light, and then you'll flip your microscope over and you can peer through the eyepiece and get a pretty good idea. The light source is most useful if you're using a phone. If you don't want to use the light source, you can also hold up your microscope to a window or a light in your room to get enough light to see through the microscope. Speaking of attaching a phone, after you've loaded your slide, remember you can lift up these yellow tabs to slip the slide in underneath. You're going to close that back and attach the light source. You need the light source for your phone to work. Then you'll clip the phone adapter to the eyepiece, and that's a magnet, so it'll pop right on. And then you turn on your camera and you gradually lower your phone down onto the eyepiece until you see an image on the microscope. This slide is a section of lung tissue that I had lying around, and you can see it's stained purple, and you get a pretty good image from the phone, particularly as there's a light source behind it, so it shows up really nicely. So I hope this video is helpful. If you ever have questions, come to office hours and also check the notes and the slides from class.